Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 227. If we start with this bottom row, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box now, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 5 covering these two boxes, so our 5 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 9. That makes this our 8, 1, and that 8 makes this our 9. For this box now, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 7, 7 here, so 5, 8, and no help here, 5, 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 3, 4 here, so 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 5. That makes this our 7, 6. We can get rid of this 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 7, 3 here, so 2, 7, 7 here, so 2, 3. For this top row, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 3. I don't see any other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this box, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. That 8 makes this our 5, 8. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. That 2 makes this our 7, 3, 2. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 9. And no help here, 3, 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 9. That makes this our 6, 8. That 6 makes this our 9, 3, 6. That 9 makes this our 2, 9. This column now, we're just missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.